Hey guys, Farmer Jeremiah here with Jocus Farm. So as you can see, we're starting over. We lost our crop to tomato spot wilt virus, which is spread through thrips, which is a type of pest that sucks on the underside of the leaf and spread diseases. So had to get rid of them. Real bummer. Didn't catch it in time. I thought, well, let's just call it a learning experience. So anyways, I picked up some of these little pellet refills. It's a little bit cheaper to go this way instead of buying the whole kit if you already have the supplies on hand. They come in little discs like that, and then you hydrate them up like this, and then you can put your seed in there. They usually have like a little indentation, so I'm going to try this method. So the tomatoes we're going to be growing for this batch is going to be Puron that we saved from last year, tomato yellow pear, tomato better boy, and Roma. I don't endorse any of these brands, but whatever, that's what I'm. We hydrated all 36 of the little pellets, and so what the plan is we have 4 of these. We're gonna plant 9 plants, or we'll plant 9 seeds of each variety and grow them out, and then I plan on cloning those out for our production. So that is a new plan. That is a plan I've been thinking about doing. I was going to do it 2020 season, but due to the failure, I'm going to try it out this season. So we should be set to go though, and that's why kind of switched up our varieties, but we should be squared away for the market this year. We have them all seeded now underneath, or we got the heat mat underneath here. And so with this method, it'll allow me to focus on a few really good select plants, and I think we'll have better results. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I hope that our recovery this season is going to go quite well, and I'll keep you guys up to date. Thank you. See you later. Here's our new starts. 9 of each pretty soon. Next watering, we'll start fertilizing with some fish fertilizer and another mixture. I don't know, I just put some stuff together. So it's about time to start thinning them out too. But I put some cinnamon in there when I first transplanted them to deter dampening off. And I've also had to transplant a couple. Like if one didn't come in. Got a couple stragglers. Yep, there you have it. Got our yellow pears, Puron, Romas on that side, and better boys. Just got done thinning them out. So we're gonna have a great year at the market, and I can't wait to show you guys. And so thanks for tuning in. We'll see you.